ways to start your way. Saving money every day, grow it big like it's play. Stocks or shares you can buy, own a piece up in the sky. Prices change, they go high, sometimes low, don't ask why. Investing makes you strong, build it up, carry on. Own a part, join the throng, in the market you belong. Ownership is the key, better life you'll see. Part of apple, part of tree, little pieces all agree. Start small, learn and grow, see your shares, let them flow.